everyone, welcome back. It's Jyoti. What is happening? Listen, as you all know, I broke away from the norm and I reacted to a Bollywood song recently. ये भी हुआ है. So I reacted to the title track of Sayara just because it was getting requested so much, so much. I was like, ये कुछ special हो रहा है, जैसे तुम ही हो आशिकी 2 के टाइम हुआ था, या जो भी है, the big ones, musically speaking. So I was like, ठीक है, let's cover it. Shruti and I covered it together. And then a lot of requests came in for Faheem Abdullah's other songs. Sajde is one of them. Yes, I will get to it. But I was on his channel, and this one really caught my eye because of just how it looks like it's presented. And I was like, aha, band. I would like to hear this. ये क्या है? और फिर blues लिखा है. So of course I want to hear it. Chak Chuk blues music video. So here I am. Let's dive into this first, and then I'll cover other stuff from Fahim in the future. You guys can let me know which songs, in what order, share links, all of that in the comments below. But okay, let's get to this. This one is from May 2024. Chak Chuk Blues song from Lost Found. What is Lost Found? Is a true power booster. Is the name of his album. Check कर लें एक बार जल्दी से. लग तो हो ही रहा है. हाँ, album है Lost Found. Oh wow. Holy crap, 14 songs. 14 songs are there in this situation. Okay. You all know I don't cover albums of more than 10 songs. I'm just saying before you all start. I'm just kidding. Just let me know which songs I should cover in the future. But okay, this is from Lost Found. Blues song from Lost. Is it called? Yeah, it's called Chak Chuk Blues. True power booster that has the ability to uplift. It's the last song, that too, and inspire its listeners. Its jazzy, upbeat sound combined with its empowering lyrics and exceptional vocal performance that we expect make it a standout musical creation that is sure to leave a lasting impression on anyone who hears it. Whether you're looking for a musical pick me up or simply want to enjoy a well crafted piece of art, always, this is a track to go for. ठीक है, ठीक है. Lyrics Faheem, singer Faheem and Zeeshan Nabi, composer Faheem, music production Qassam, Hussain, Zeeshan, and Hyder. Mix and master Abhishek Ghatak. Ghatak या Ghatak? I think it's Ghatak. Just say Ghatak. Chalo, let's get to it. 1, 2, 3, play. Oh, I already like it. अरे
पहाड़ों के जिस पार एक खास शहर है जैसे लोग याद बुलाते हैं.
क्या बुलाते हैं? याद.
यहाँ लोग मुस्तकबिल से हाल में आते हैं और हाल से माजी में चले जाते हैं. ये शहर लापानी है, यहाँ खुदा और लोग बसते हैं. लोग खुदा के घर में और खुदा उनके दिल में. यहाँ मोहब्बत आम है और इश्क बहुत खास. यहाँ अपने पास है और गैर बहुत पास. यहाँ हर गली में अपनापन और बाजारों में सुकून बिकता है. यहाँ लोग मोहब्बत से थके मोहब्बत ही करते हैं. मोहब्बत ही करते हैं. सब जम जाता है बस दिल जिंदा रहते हैं क्योंकि वो टूटे हुए
Oh,
हैं जुड़ने की आस में जुड़ने की आस में जुड़ने की आस में जुड़ने की आस में क्या ख्वाब है ये किस जादू दुनिया का ख्वाब है ये किसी जादू दुनिया का जादू नहीं होता कोई नहीं रोता एक खामोशी सी तारी है यहाँ सब धीरे धीरे होता है वक्त के गुजरने के सिवा गुजरने के सिवा ओ, पहाड़ों के जिस पार पहाड़ों के किस पार एक खास शहर है जैसे लोग याद बुलाते हैं किस लोग याद बुलाते हैं जैसे लोग याद बुलाते हैं
yeah.
किसे लोग याद बुलाते हैं जैसे लोग याद बुलाते हैं
What? Can you not tell from my expressions how much I enjoyed that? Oh, again, I have just been असली musical instruments की बात ही कुछ और होती है when it's played like this. I just felt like, first of all, Zeeshan's voice. Oh, हाँ से. So good, so good. Both the vocalists so powerful. Um, seriously, like both of them did their own thing, but kept us glued. And I feel like in a track like this, it's not even about saying the deepest lines or the most poetic thoughts, although they are. It's more about how much the voice is carrying you forward because the music is so beautifully laid out, and you just can't help but move. That's the whole thing for at least for me. When it's blues, it's like you want to be taken on a journey, and the voice has to make you move forward, make you move along the track and um, path and all of that. So I feel that was done beautifully because although you may be saying lines which are, some of them are repeated, some of them are extended, some words are drawn out, all of that is happening. It's more of vocal acting that happens on tracks like this. And so if you don't connect with the voice and the way it's playing with the notes and the words and the flows and the bringing, like pushing you away, pulling you back in, taking you left, taking you right, like if the voice is not holding your hand and taking you along, फिर वो गाने का magic आता ही नहीं है, right? गाने में magic या feel, for lack of a better word, and that was so gorgeous in the song, both their voices, especially when Faheem was doing the whole sort of all the little plays, vocal plays. And he had that smile on his face. I was like, oh, oh, what is happening? I'm moving along with your voice, along with the music. Like, beautiful. So the lyrics are here, so I would like to read them quickly and then talk about other things. Um, पहाड़ों के जिस पार एक खास शहर है, अ, के इस पार या जिस पार एक खास शहर है जिसे लोग याद बुलाते हैं। आई डिडंट हियर याद फर्स्ट, आई हैड टू चेक। याद, ओके, तो याद में लोग रहते हैं, वो शहर है। यहाँ लोग मुस्तकबिल से हाल में आते हैं और हाल से माजी में चले जाते हैं। ओके, वील हैव टू गूगल सम ऑफ दिस। व्हाट? माजी, पासिंग बाय और पास्ट, ओके। हाल से माजी में चले जाते हैं। ये शहर लाफानी है, खुदा और लोग बसते हैं। व्हाट इज लाफानी? गाइस, आई डिड नॉट expect. Um, La fani is without something. Now, what is fani? Fani का मतलब क्या है? Decay, mortality, frailty, death, destruction. Okay, so without, ये शहर लाफानी है. Okay, so it's immortal, whatever. ये शहर लाफानी है, यहाँ खुदा और लोग बसते हैं। लोग खुदा के घर में और खुदा उनके दिल में। यहाँ मोहब्बत आम है और इश्क बहुत खास। यहाँ अपने पास है और गैर बहुत पास। ओ, गैर बहुत पास, इंटरेस्टिंग। यहाँ हर गली गली में अपनापन और बाजारों में सुकून दिखता है। यहाँ लोग मोहब्बत से थक के मोहब्बत ही करते हैं। वाह वाह, like it. And then the war happened. And then Zeeshan came in, right? यहाँ सब थम जाता है, यहाँ सब जम जाता है। And then they all froze at the end. So remembering this line, बस दिल जिंदा रहता है क्योंकि वो टूटे हुए हैं, जुड़ने की आस में, जुड़ने की आस में। ख्वाब है ये एक जादुई दुनिया का, जहाँ जादू नहीं होता और कोई नहीं रोता। एक खामोशी सी तारी है यहाँ, सब धीरे से होता है वक्त के गुजरने के सिवा। उफ। पहाड़ों के जिस पार, पहाड़ों के किस पार एक खास शहर है, जिसे लोग याद बुलाते हैं, किसे लोग याद बुलाते हैं, जिसे लोग याद बुलाते हैं, किसे लोग याद बुलाते हैं, जिसे लोग याद बुलाते हैं। इंटरेस्टिंग, interesting, beautiful, gorgeous. I loved it. I loved it. I was flowing with it. The thoughts are beautiful. The singing, it's the way you sing these lines. It's the way you deliver them. It's the way you play. Like I said, that carries a track like this through. And so it comes down to the skill of the vocalists and their ability um to be a great tale teller. You know, you're telling a tale. You're yeah, to be a great pack leader, journey leader, you know, like a Sherpa or like a, yeah, someone who is guiding you through the landscape. I like it. I like it. And yeah, brilliant musicians. I would love to have seen the names of all the band members here. Maybe they all are here. Music production, Qassam, Zeeshan, and Hyder. So there were two guitarists. The one who was sitting with the guitar with his sunglasses on and was playing. You're reminding me of someone, but I can't pinpoint who. Um, so that was cool. Um, The the electric guitar was Ishan only. So fine. It's I guess Qassam and Hyder. Qassam and Hyder are the guitarist and keyboard. You know? Who's who I don't know. But ठीक है, वहाँ पे वो ऑरेंज कोन्स क्यों? अभी ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट वीडियो है, लेकिन वो है कंस्ट्रक्शन रोड वाले ऑरेंज कोन्स, वो क्यों रख दिए वहाँ पे? I was looking at them and I'm like a bit strange for decor. लैंप्स तो दोनों रखे हैं साइड में, लेकिन बीच में वो कोन क्यों लगा दिया है? Is it symbolizing something we don't know? There's a bookcase on the other side. And उस side, दूसरी side piano था, बड़ा वाला, not बड़ा बड़ा वाला, but बड़ा वाला. So anyway, loved it, loved the band, loved all the vocalists, musicians, everything. We think we need more music like this, more musicians like this in the scene, and we need for all of us to talk about them, help them grow, help them get more. I mean, you can't grow more than Faheem right now. He's topping charts everywhere, but all the musicians and music like this for sure. So let me know lost found से क्या मैं cover करूँ channel पे. सजदे के मुझे आए हैं messages. Any other track, any track that has a video like this one, all of that, let me know. I would love to explore Fahim's music more. So lovely. So lovely. Chalo, I'll see you in the next one. DM me for other recommendations, leave your comment, and tell me if I missed anything in this song or this video, any words, key meanings, or any of that. And yeah, take good care of yourselves. Live long and prosper.